Well, in this section, we will discuss about transport, travel, shopping, happiness, and hobbies. So, we should start with the shopping. To shop around means to look for the best price. To do weekly shop or shopping means to buy the foods for the whole week. Retail shops that sells to the customers, wholesale shops that sells to the shops. One stop shop, a shop that sells everything you need. To shop till you drop, it means to shop for the hours. I love browsing shop means I love to go to every shop. I am an impulsive shopper, it means I do shopping without planning. I'm a shopaholic, I'm addicted to shopping. I like window shopping because I want to spend much time, much time and lesser money. So in this way I can save money. My laptop cost an hour and a leg. It means it's too expensive. I paid over the odd for it, or I can say I paid through the nose mean I paid too much. To splash out I also use the same word. I like to splash out on new clothes in this spring sale. I am going to spend too much money on my clothes. Hobbies can be a calming effect, stress buster, to discover showcase of their hidden talent, be a channeler, express your creativity. Elated or thrilled mean extremely happy. Feast is also used for the meal. I usually have a big I usually have a ball at this festival throwing water to everyone because I enjoy it a lot. I had the time of my life at the last year. This festival is as old as the hills. It means that it's very old. Feast your eyes on it because it means that it made you very happy. The festivities went like a dream. Went like a dream means it goes smoothly. All holidays this term is used when you lost your job. Half board it means that when you book something that includes dinner and breakfast. In full board lunch is also included. So you have all three meals in full board. A busman's holiday it means that when you spend your free time similarly when you work. A charter flight used for the regular cheap flights. Getting away from it means in order to escape from the daily routine. To get off the beaten track means to visit uncommon place. Hordes of tourists means crowds of tourists. Picturesque village, very beautiful village. To go to sightseeing, visit very interesting place. Tourist trap place where many tourists go. Youth hostel normally this word used for the cheap hostel. A travel initially the route of the trip we use a travel itinerary. To travel back and forth means go between two places. I live in Pakistan but I travel back and forth to India twice a year. Tra- to, li- to like a travel light that do not make that to like a travel light means that you don't want to take suitcase. A backseat driver means that a person who does not drive but tells you how to drive. I got the train session in the nick of time because just in time. We made it to the airport on the time by skin of our teeth, just managed to meet the deadlines. Hit the roads means to start journey. To have itchy feet means you love to travel. At the crack of dawn means very early. I have to get up at the crack of dawn because I have to get up very early. A transport notorious path means famous for something bad. To get off the beaten track. To go to less visited place. To get off the crowd to escape from the tourists. Dreary weathers mean dull weather, mild climate, not hot or cold. Overcast means cloudy. Fields dotted with yields and greens. They have a lot of trees. The fragrance we also use. I was amazed by the views. To take snapshots means to take photos. Snow-capped mountains mean I love wide open plains mean that. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll discuss further things in the coming lesson.